Hello friends, welcome to brand new tutorial of Learn Code with Sankalp. In today's tutorial, we have discussed about store procedure. Store procedure is very important, guys. In the industry level project, we have multiple database operation. In that, we have writing the query in the code. It is very complex and it will be not performance easily good. So in the store procedure, we have writing the query inside the our server side, I mean DB side. So we can call that again and again, and we have used it. Store procedure is basically in Google we have one line definition of store procedure. The store procedure can prepare SQL code that you can save, so that code you can reuse it again and again, as we have discussed. So we can SQL query that write over and over, save that store procedure and just call it. You can also pass parameter in the store procedure, so the store procedure can based on parameter and it will pass. Okay, and this is syntax of store procedure, guys. Okay, then we have to learn the practical example how to use the store procedure in Spring Boot application, guys. In the interview level, it will be very important question, guys. Interviewer will be asked that what is store procedure and what is the steps to create the store procedure in Spring Boot application. So you can answer that question by using this my example, guys. So watch this video till end so you can understand the concept of store procedure in Spring Boot application. If you new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel and please bell icon. So guys, we have going into the Spring Boot application. Okay. Here I have already created one Spring Boot application. This is basically, guys, bike showroom. Okay, that I have already created, guys. So I will explain that code firstly, line by line, so you can understand the concept. This is basically Spring Boot application, guys. Inside Spring Boot application, we have some dependency like we have using Spring Boot 7, Java version 70, and Spring Boot version 3, Spring 3, and we have using JPA, Dev Web Tool and Dev Tools for auto loading for the database connectivity with MySQL database, and for the Swagger I have also implemented, guys. So Swagger we have using the OpenAI. Okay, uh, sorry, OpenAI, not, we have Open UI, Open API, UI software dependency. So we can adding this dependency and we have creating the Spring Boot application, guys. And first main application will have main method, and secondly we have controller layer. Inside controller layer we have one API. Okay, that API will be that add bike. Means we have to our bike showroom. We have adding the bike in the inventory area. Means we have one go down of bike. Then we have to adding the bike in the that area. But we have to calculate that bike. Means how what will be daily purchase will be that. Means today we have sell the 10 bikes. Then we have to inventory. We have minus the 10 bikes. That will be doing the our store procedure, guys. So here we can using the bike service. Inside bike service, we have created one method like add bike. Okay, and this implementation will be that we have using the repository, JPA repository, and we have using the save method. Okay, and repository we have implemented the JPA repository, and we have here we can giving the our model class name and IDs data type. Okay, this is our model class, guys. Here we can see that we have giving the entity Hibernate Java Hibernate annotation table annotation generation time. It will be a bike ID will be auto generated, and model name, price, quantity we have to define in the table, and table name will be bike inventory. Okay, and that's all, guys. There's not any complex logic in this code, guys. This is very simple code. We have adding the bike in the our DB. Okay, this is simple operation, guys. So we can run this code. So we have running like run as Java Spring Boot application. Okay. So our application is running, guys, to port 8080. Okay. Our application is running at port 8080. So we have adding the bike. Okay. So firstly we have sample bike I have already added. So you can see that in bike inventory we have 5 bikes. So we are adding the own 2 bikes. Okay. So bike name will be ZX 10R. Okay, and the price will be that 20 lakhs. Okay, and quantity will be 10. Okay, and we have sent this. Okay, bike will be added. You can verify in your DB also. Okay, that is another added. Then we have to add the bike like we have adding one more bike like R15. Okay, R15. R15 price will be that 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 10,000. Okay, and quantity will be 17. Okay, we have adding that bike also. Okay, we have added that bike. Red R15 will also added. Okay, we have seven bikes model, and this is quantity. Okay, and today we have selling this bikes, means we have selling the Pulsar 2010 bikes, Hero Honda 5 bikes, ZX10 or 1 bike. Then we have update the inventory at the every day, so you can track the our budget or our sales. Okay, then we have creating one service, one store procedure to update the inventory daily basis. So we have creating one controller layer. Inside controller layer we have creating one means we have creating one API. Okay, so that we have creating like @post mapping, and here we can give the update to our room. Okay, and here we can give in the query parameter. Okay, then we have given the bike ID and stock, stock, stock. Okay, store quantity. Okay, okay, and here next we have to add like public bike showroom update to our entity, and here you can using the path variable. Okay, so here you can use the path variable like integer bike ID and at the rate path variable integer store quantity. Okay, okay, and here we can creating one method. Okay, then we have to create one service. Okay, then bike service dot update stock quantity. Okay, and here you can give the two parameter like bike ID and quantity. Okay, and here you can then nextly we have to create one method also like return bike service dot find ID, and here you can give the bike ID, so we can return the whatever remaining stock. Okay guys, then we have creating with this method, this method also we have creating, and this method we have also creating. Okay, and after in the IMPL layer we have also that implement that method. Okay, okay, and here you can it is also simple guys, here you can return like bike repo dot find by ID. What is our emblem ID? Okay, okay, and here you can give the ID dot get. Okay, and here you can give the ID. Okay, and here you can bring like this find by Okay, this method is completed, guys. And here we can give the and by bike ID and by bike ID. Okay, and repository layer we have creating this method also. Okay, and by bike ID. Okay, and nextly we have to create like method like update. Okay, this is important, guys. Firstly, we have creating one method like bike repo dot update quantity आणि update quantity आणि nextly we have using the bike ID and tour quantity. Okay, and we have to return the bike ID. Okay, return the same statement like okay, and here you can create the method inside class. Okay, and here we have implement that same method inside the service layer also. Um, okay, and here we can save this. So here we can okay, here you can add the method bike service IMPL. Here we can change the ID. Okay, and here we can save the here we can give the bike showroom. We import this and we have changed in service layer also. Okay, and here we can create the what is the issue. Okay, guys, we have written in the bike ID. Okay, that's simple, guys. Then we have to basically write this method inside our it is way better by using store procedure, guys. So we have giving the annotation like at the rate procedure, and we have given the procedure name, guys. Name is equal to update stock procedure. Okay, and we have save this. Okay, then nextly we have creating the store procedure in our entity class, guys. This is very important, guys. So if we have opening our here, what is the error? Okay, here we can add the like this. Okay, and in our uh, model class we have here we can uh, add the store procedure. Okay, then here you can adding the store procedure like at the rate name the store procedure queries. Okay, and here you can write the here. Okay, and then name the store procedure queries and name store procedure query. Okay, and name the store procedure query. Okay, and we have here we can add the query. Okay, then okay, and here you can pass the parameter like name of store procedure, update stock procedure, same like here. Okay, here update stock procedure we have ending here like same update stock procedure. Okay, and nextly we have add like uh, procedure procedure. Okay, procedure update stop, update. Okay, and here you can remove this existing line. Okay, and nextly we have to add the parameters. Okay, then we have add the parameter like here we can add the parameters. Okay, parameter like mode is equal to parameter mode dot parameter. Parameter कैसे देते हैं parameter? We are adding the array of parameter. Okay, we have multiple parameter. Okay, then we have to add the rate store procedure parameter. Okay, and inside store procedure parameter we have like mode parameter dot in. Okay, and name like bike id and type like long dot classes. Okay, and secondly we have add the store procedure same like this we have adding like quantity. Okay, and here you can like integer dot class. Okay, and nextly we have adding the okay okay guys, that's all guys. Then we have to add the here what is this, here we can close this bracket. Okay, so why this coming? Okay, type. Okay, this is the small mistake guys, we have using the type as a small letter. Yep. Okay, and this is our store procedure guys. Okay, we have written in logic in our code guys, so it will be hitting the store procedure in our db level. So inside our db level we have creating the store procedure. Okay guys, and here you can our db, here we have store procedure. Okay, then we have creating store procedure, create store procedure. Okay, create new store procedure. Okay, then we have here you can giving the name like our schema name. Firstly, spring spring security, spring security dot update stock. Okay, update stock. Okay, and nextly we have to same like this, here you can update stock. Okay, here you can giving the same name like this. Okay, and nextly we have to begin the transaction. Okay, then here you can giving the parameter. Okay, then parameter name like in bike id. Okay, and this is the type will be integer. Okay, and second will be like in stock quantity, it is also integer, and this is also integer. Okay, this is our two parameter. Then here you can begin the we have writing the logic. What we have need to do? Okay, then we have to like update our our table name, like bike inventory, sorry, update bike inventory, set quantity, quantity is equal to quantity minus stock, stock quantity. Okay, and where where bike id is equal to bike id. Okay, where bike id. Okay, then why it will be giving the error missing the semicolon. Okay, this is our store procedure, guys. Okay, then we have apply the store procedure and we have apply. Okay, we have applying the store procedure, and then here you can see that our store procedure is created, guys. Okay, spring security dot update stock. Okay, this is the our store procedure. We are not giving the schema name here. We have closing the schema name and we have apply this. Okay, and update stock will be our store procedure. This is we have to drop. Okay, okay, this is our store procedure, guys. Okay, then we have to close this. It is our store procedure. Then we have to check this. We have able to call this store procedure in our Spring Boot application or not. Okay, then we have to save this, close all these windows, close all these windows. Okay, now reboot our application. So our application is rebooting, guys. So we can see that how we can add the we have changing our, you can see that we have 7 bikes. Okay, then we have Bajaj Platina will be sale. Bajaj Platina sale will be 10. Okay, then we have to 3 and 10. Okay, then we have to check that our application is running, guys. Then here we can update stock, and Bajaj Platina sales will be ID will be 3, and today we have sell the 10 bikes of that. Okay, then we have to hit this. Okay, uh, this is the error, guys. Named parameter store quantity is not registered in our store procedure. Okay, this is error, guys. We have to skills like solve this error also. So what will be it saying that some mistake in type of mistake. Here you can give the store quantity. Okay, then here you can inside this query we have given the not a stock quantity, we have given the store quantity. Okay, apply. Okay, this is our changes and we have to apply this. Okay, store quantity. Okay, this is the same like here store quantity. Then we have to query like this same like our store quantity we have getting from parameter, and getting the parameter we have minus the store quantity inside our quantity. So we can our quantity will be reduced. Okay, our quantity will be, this is our quantity will be minus. Okay, then here we can giving like we have Pulsar 180. ID is 2 and we have 6 of stock. Then 2 will be sell. Then 2 2. Okay. Then we have hitting like 2 2. Okay. Then we have to hit this. Okay. 4 quantity is remaining. And inside DB we have verify that 4 quantity is remaining. Okay. And then we have to Hero Honda. Okay. Hero Honda will be ID is 4 and will be 10 quantity will be sell today. Okay. Then 4 and 10. Okay. Then we have to hit like 4 and 10. Okay. Okay. 144. Here we can 155 and we have minus 10 will be 144. Okay. Then Activa. 5, 5, 5 and 9. Okay. then we have to 5 9. Okay, then we have hit this. Okay, we have 5 9. Okay, then we have to replace this. So we have to 190 to 110. Okay, 110. Okay, this is the functionality, guys. Okay, we have to create the quantity as per bike ID. Okay, this is the function, guys. So this is the store procedure, guys. So I hope you have understand the concept of store procedure. In this store procedure, we have important type, important like we have adding the this store procedure, and in this name we have giving to the our repository layer. Repository layer. This is important, guys. So guys, I hope you have understand the store procedure concept. If you new in my channel, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Okay, guys, thank you. Bye.